This is the lawnmower that I replaced the head and the spark plug while I was at it, but I did the new head and gasket on the head that was tapped that broke. But let me show you a quick fix on an engine that that misses. It doesn't run properly. I'm going to start it. You're going to hear the miss, and I'm going to remove the filter, and you're going to see how much more it improves. And that is the caused by a bad air filter, very clogged up. But I'm going to start it. You're going to hear the miss. I'm going to take the filter out, and you're going to see how much it improves. See the big difference? Idle stabilizes, runs a lot smoother. Get a new filter. This one's pretty plugged up. Easy fix. Peace.